Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Dream tech is probably one of the most innovative cleaning solutions to hit the market. This all-in-one device promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine, combining powerful vacuuming with effective mopping capabilities. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the Dream tech, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your home. Number 5. Tineco Floor 1S3 Cordless Hardwood Cleaner. This innovative cleaner uses iLoop smart sensor technology. It detects messes and adjusts suction for a perfect clean. Your floors will be dry and streak-free. The Floor 1S3 simplifies your cleaning routine. It vacuums and washes your floors simultaneously, saving you time and effort. It's a smart way to clean your home. Enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning with this lightweight design. It offers up to 35 minutes of runtime with optimized power. It's easy to maneuver and use throughout your home. The 5-in-1 self-cleaning system keeps everything fresh. It keeps your hands clean and eliminates odors. This feature ensures a hygienic and pleasant cleaning experience. The LED display and voice assistant provide real-time information. For the best results, use Tineco solution to prevent damage. Follow the instructions for optimal performance. Remember to clean the detection pin after emptying the dirty water tank. When using it for the first time, assemble it according to the user's guide. Ensure the handle is properly fixed before operation. What we like? This vacuum cleaner uses iLoop smart sensor technology to adjust suction and water flow automatically. It also offers a 35-minute runtime, perfect for tackling multiple rooms. If you are looking for a device that simplifies your cleaning routine with smart features, this is a great choice. What people say. The Dream Tech vacuum and mop has a powerful suction. It has a self-cleaning function. The vacuum and mop is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Number 4. DREAME H12 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Tired of cleaning your cleaner? This device takes care of itself. Just set it in place and press a button to start the self-cleaning process. The brush dries with hot air in just an hour, saving you the hassle. Reach every corner with ease. The enhanced dual-edged cleaning brush specializes in hard-to-reach areas. It gets close to baseboards and deep into corners, ensuring a thorough clean. Clean without interruption. With a powerful battery, it offers up to 35 minutes of runtime. The large water tank allows you to clean a large area without refilling. It knows when to work harder. A sophisticated sensor optimizes power and cleaning based on the mess it detects. It intelligently tackles spills, hair, debris, dirt, and dust. No more tangled messes. The included brush scraper keeps the roller clean while in use. It prevents hair from winding, making your cleaning experience smoother. What we like? This vacuum mop features hot air drying technology, ensuring the brush is completely dry after cleaning. It also has edge-to-edge cleaning, reaching those tricky corners. If you want a device that offers convenience and thorough cleaning, this is the one for you. What people say. Dream Tech Vacuum and Mop is a great product. The vacuum and mop function works well. The design is sleek and modern. Number 3. Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum. Introducing the Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro. This innovative cleaner uses MHCBS technology, ensuring your floors are continuously washed with fresh water. It recycles dirty water efficiently, providing a consistently clean experience. The Floor 1S7 Pro features smooth power bidirectional self-propulsion. Whether you're pushing or pulling, this system assists you, making cleaning effortless and smooth. It detects the movement of the rear wheels. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of cleaning time with the Floor 1S7 Pro. Thanks to Tineco iLoop, it intelligently manages water and power, allowing you to clean longer with less refilling and recharging. This means less work for you. This cleaner provides dual-sided edge cleaning, reaching within 0.4 inches of baseboards and corners. It ensures no spots are missed, giving you a complete clean around your home. The Floor 1S7 Pro offers a thorough self-cleaning cycle for easy maintenance. It deep cleans the brush roller and tubing. After cleaning, centrifugal drying effectively removes water, keeping it dry and hygienic. Before your first use, please charge the Floor 1S7 Pro for 4 to 5 hours. This will ensure an uninterrupted cleaning experience, allowing you to enjoy all its features right away. What we like. This vacuum cleaner uses MHCBS technology for continuous fresh water washing and efficient dirty water recycling. It also offers dual-sided edge cleaning, ensuring no spots are missed. If you want a device that provides a comprehensive and hygienic cleaning experience, this is a great choice. What people say. The DREAME Tech vacuum and mop has powerful suction. It has a self-cleaning function. The vacuum and mop can effectively clean the floors. Number 2. Yeedi C12 Combo, all-in-one cleaning solution. Introducing the ultimate cleaning solution, a robot, vacuum, and mop all-in-one. This device is designed for every cleaning need, from floors to high areas, ensuring a spotless home with ease. This vacuum boasts powerful suction, effortlessly tackling large debris and dust. With various brush heads, it reaches tight spaces and high areas, ensuring a thorough clean. Featuring 10,000 pascals suction, 3-stage cleaning tech, and smart navigation, this robot vacuum offers hands-free operation. You can control it via an app, making daily cleaning tasks automatic and simple. The cleaning base station automatically empties dust and recharges the device. This feature saves you from manual emptying and the cost of dust bags. Plus, its self-cleaning technology prevents filter clogging, maintaining suction efficiency over time. This device includes a mopping feature for removing stubborn stains, enhancing cleaning effectiveness. It has a 340 ml water tank, capable of mopping up to 200 square feet. Say goodbye to tangled hair and debris. The zero-tangle technology prevents human and pet hair from getting caught in both the robot vacuum and handheld brushes. This reduces maintenance and ensures a smooth, efficient cleaning experience. What we like. This is an all-in-one cleaning solution, combining a robot vacuum, stick vacuum, and mop. It also features dual zero-tangle tech, which prevents hair tangling. If you are looking for a versatile and convenient cleaning solution, this is the perfect option. What people say. DREAME Tech vacuum and mop is a great product. The vacuum cleaner has a powerful suction. The mop function works well and leaves the floors clean. Number 1. NARWAL S20 Pro, cordless vacuum mop for families. Dealing with spills? This vacuum mop has 20,000 pascals suction, making it perfect for homes with kids and pets. It handles tough messes with ease, ensuring a clean home. With a simple click, this mop cleans and dries its brush at 149 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature keeps it ready to use and eliminates odors, which is great for busy households. The AI Dirt Sense technology adjusts the power based on the dirt level. It also offers 5 cleaning modes to match different floor types and messes, making cleaning efficient. It's lightweight and glides smoothly, and the 180 degrees flat reach makes it easy to clean under furniture. This design simplifies cleaning tasks for everyone. Forget about tangled brushes and frequent refills. It automatically dispenses the cleaning solution, providing a smoother and cleaner experience. It uses interactive LCD voice prompts to guide you. The prompts simplify cleaning for all users, including seniors and children, while maintaining quiet operation. What we like. This vacuum mop boasts 20,000 pascals suction power, making it ideal for handling tough messes. It also has self-cleaning and drying capabilities, ensuring it's always ready to go. If you have kids or pets, or if you want a device that simplifies your cleaning routine, this is a great choice. What people say. It is by far the best. I am amazed at how well it cleans my hardwood and tile floors. At first I thought, it is putting down too much water, but in reality it takes less than 5 minutes for a mopped area to be totally dry. It also self-cleans and dries the mop roller super fast compared to my last vacuum mop. On auto mode the battery easily lasts 40 minutes, maybe more. The fact that it vacuums and mops at the same time, saves me time using the vacuum to suck up the larger stuff on the floor, then follow it up with a Swifter to get the smaller particle stuff, then lastly use the wet Swifter wipes to finally clean that. That is a lot of time saved by just using this. The floor comes out really clean and the fact that it cleans the brushes itself is even better. It truly is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It even does a great job getting the debris tied up against the walls. Cleaning is super simple and it talks to you too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.